Hi, happy Saturday. Today I just want to talk a little bit about self-care. There was a season in my life where I thought resting was actually a luxury, not a necessity. Those were times where I kept going, kept doing stuff. Even when I felt tired, I would keep pushing, I'll keep doing things. I kept showing up for everyone. I kept carrying responsibilities, pushing through that exhaustion. When I was so tired, I would tell myself, Adelaide, I will rest later. Adelaide, you will rest later. That's what I used to tell myself. But later actually never came, because you find yourself going and going, and the next thing you notice, 1 year has gone by, 2 years have gone by, you've never even taken time out, and you are tired until my body, all my emotions, I just felt they forced me to actually stop, because it comes a point where you are now running on empty and everything just tells you, Adelaide, you need to stop. Your body will tell you. That was the point I came to. My body just told me I needed to stop. And that's when I